To buy stocks on Exness, follow these steps. Log into Exness account. Open the Exness Trader app or log into MetaTrader 5, which supports stock trading. Ensure your account type supports stocks, as some accounts may focus on forex or commodities only. Select a stock instrument. Go to Quotes or MarketWatch to find available stocks like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. If the stock you want isn't visible, search for it in the Symbols or Instruments section. Analyze the stock market. Review the price chart, technical indicators, and recent news related to the stock. Use this information to make an informed decision about buying. Place a buy order. Tap on the stock, select new order or trade, and choose buy. Set the volume or lot size based on your budget and risk tolerance. You can also set a stop loss and take profit level to manage risk. Confirm and monitor the trade. Confirm the trade to place the order. Once open, you can monitor it under positions or open trays to see real-time performance. Close the trade. When ready, select the trade and choose close to finalize and capture any profits or limit losses.